Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Roblox account. So first of all, launch open Roblox application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Roblox application has been opened. You'll be able to find two options over here, create account, sign in. If you do not have the account yet, you can tap on the option create account and create the account for yourself. But if you want to log into your account, simply tap on the option sign in. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the sign in interface. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. You can either sign in using your credentials, or you can also simply choose the option for email me a one-time code and sign in by simply providing the one-time code. Also, you'll be able to find the option for quick sign in, so simply tap on the sign in method of your choice. Here I'm just going to enter my credentials. If you also want to do that, first of all tap on the field of username, email or phone. Now what you have to do is enter your username, email or phone over here. Now after entering that, what you have to do is enter your password. So simply enter the password over here. If you have forgotten your password or username, simply tap on this option, forget password or username, and you'll be able to recover them. Otherwise, simply enter it over here. Now after entering the credentials, what you have to do is tap on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be signed in to your account. So that is how you log in Roblox account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.